Finish eating, then the bill is the yobidasu, the call the stuff. Then okaike is a cash, the check. Yeah, and then tein will just call the waiter. Then tein is the waiter.
Yeah, like shop person.
Yes,
tenin.
yes. Then yobidashi call out.
This is menu ni modoru.
Yeah, modoru, go back to the menu. So check please.
Okaike.
ただいま店員を呼び出しております。1枚でレビュー発表させていただきます。Yeah, you had a sushi before?
Yeah, okay. So, Kanako-san said that she didn't like sushi when she was a kid.
Yeah.
And I said, me either, but not because of me, because of my parents. Even my parents told me that sushi was gross. Oh, don't eat sushi, you won't like it, it's raw fish, it's gross. So I didn't eat it. And the first time I ate it, I was in college, and it was delicious. And I was so surprised, I was wondering, why did I wait 21 years to eat sushi? I love it. So it's big regret. I should have eaten it sooner, and now I love it. And I can't believe I went my whole life without eating sushi because of my parents. Don't listen to your parents. Eat sushi.
It depends. 21年間もったいない。ありがとう。